So we're like kind of driving a little bit, but then we're also not. So this is another 3-minute video. Hop down. We were moving. So we're out of the wind. Another nature video, so like can't wait. Yeah, it's a 3-minute one. Little trot, canter, and just that's it, pretty much. We got Lilo's. Come on, Lilo. Look at that energy dog. I just love nature. Like I said, do not call me a furry. I'm not a furry. What are you kidding? Hey. Full outfit check. I'll do full outfit. We got the sweatshirt on, the pants, and the shoearoos. Has a unicorn on the bottom. Anyways, Barack. Who's the other kid? They're pretty cool, I guess. But aggressive T-Rex. Feeding the doggos. This looks like it'd be like in the 2000s or something. Just the cool. Okay, there. It was a little like dusty on the camera. Whew. Now we got it. T-Rex. Too many T-Rex. I'm gonna run over there and like do a circle back and then come back on camera. Stop! Stealing my boot. All right. I'll do it in the next video. What breed do you think she is? She's a blackmouth cur, but she like has like some different kind of her, not her. Whoa, fierce. And I need name ideas how to spell Lilo and not just Lilo. So yes, I'm gonna run like all the way. See it? I'm gonna run over. No, not over there, but where that tree stem is. Yeah, we'll be over there. So yeah, cross country. That's a horse thing. What the heck? Tell me what this is.